we started. Okay, it's October. We are finally in October and I'm excited. Welcome to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba and I'm proud. I thought I switched off this computer. I don't want noises like last time. Okay, so October is a very special month for Zambia because, in case you forgot, it's the month in which we got our independence. Okay, so we've been enjoying the peace, the love, the harmony, and the freedom for 58 years. Because our forefathers fought for what belongs to us as Zambians and gave it back to us. Rightly so, I'm fighting for the same. I want Zambians to remain Zambians, okay? You can be as educated as you want to be. You can travel the world if it allows you, but please remain Zambian. I promise that in my future videos, I'll bring my friends. No, I didn't say I'll bring. I said I'll ask my friends and relatives from other tribes to share proverbs from their languages, local languages, so that we balance and maintain the One Zambia, One Nation spirit, even as we educate each other and preserve the Zambian tradition. With me today is this Kaonde lady, my supervisor at work, my friend from college. And she's going to introduce herself and share proverbs in Kaonde, give us meaning, and we'll continue from there. So, like, share, subscribe, comment, because I still want to get feedback. How are we doing? Is it working? And let me also mention that this month you'll see different faces. It's a new month with new faces, new ideas, new approach. So you see different faces talking tradition and the importance of remaining true to ourselves. I would love to tell you who, but I'll spoil the fun. So just keep the notifications coming so that you don't miss the videos. Madam, you're welcome.
Thank you. Hi.
Don't say hi. Please say something in Kaonde because I've already said you're Kaonde. What does it mean? Okay, so
how are you?
How are you, Mulishani?
Ne Ethel Chewe.
Okay.
Kaonde by tribe. Kaonde Waswamema.
What does Waswamema mean?
Waswamema means people who know how to bath. Like you have seen.
No, you
know how to bath.
Okay, what can we please, let's give credit where it's due. Yeah. They know how to bath. There's nothing we can do about it.
Anyway, I'm going to tell you some Kaonde proverbs and their meanings. The first one is kaja mukuru keva. This basically means that when children are eating with adults, they're not supposed to pick relish before elders.
Wow.
And then the second one is mukanomo mukulu mwanunka pano byambo bifumamo byamana. This simply means even if an adult has a stinking mouth, the words that comes out of the mouth are wise.
Okay.
Another one is mukulumpe upusa jiwe ke upusa byambone. This means that an adult can miss a stone when they throw it at you, but they cannot miss any word that comes out of their mouth.
That one is in Bemba also. Umukulu apusa kabwe tapusa kevo. See?
Yes.
There we have it.
And then the last one is toa polala. Toa polala also means that when a person is being kept either by relatives or just other people, they're supposed to appreciate, but others go out talking you about the people are keeping them without appreciating. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much, madam. I will keep this for me so that I can learn. Kaja mukuru
Keeva.
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 Keeva. That is rich. I mean, those are rich teachings, simple sayings with deep meanings, and that is what we are about. I am about. And just to add a bit from my understanding of what she said, the first one, kaja, mukuru, keeva, is basically teaching us about respecting elders. When you sit to dine with older people, people who are older than you, even if it's in your house, ngaudi mwana, you should not be the first one to get food. It's just teaching us respect elders. The other one about a stinky mouth is equally talking about respecting old people, people who are older than you. You will not necessarily find a smelly mouth, but it's just maybe you look down on someone who's older than you because they are not as learned as you, they are not as privileged as you, so you think what they are telling you is nonsense. Mind you, they've been here longer, they've seen a lot of things that you have not seen in your life, so they'll give you counsel regardless where they have not been. Until next time, when I feature another face, as you can see, she's not a backward lady, but she's all about preserving culture, the good parts of culture. I keep emphasizing. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. What do we say in Kaonde? How do we say bye?
Kiawa mamwane.
Kiawa mamwane. See you.